the automotive world just got obliterated. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 is finally ready, and what I'm about to reveal will send shockwaves through every car manufacturer on the planet. As he once admitted, there's a desire for people to own a Tesla. It is extremely high. The limiting factor is their ability to pay for a Tesla, not whether they want one. Regarding the vehicle business, we are still on track to deliver more affordable models starting in the first half of 2025. But this is just what he announced. What lies behind is much more surprising. We've uncovered insider details right now, and you will see how it's causing panic in boardrooms across Detroit, Germany, and Japan right now. If you're the type who wants the real story before it hits mainstream media, you know that smart viewers like our community are already one step ahead with that bell activated. Get ready to have your mind completely blown. Model 2 design is all about practicality, making it a perfect fit for everyday life. Taking cues from the Model 3, Model Y, and Cybercab, Model 2 simplifies these design elements, making it an affordable and efficiency-focused entry-level electric vehicle. With a length between 165 to 173 inches, it's notably shorter than the 185-inch Model 3, which gives an edge in maneuvering through narrow lanes and tight spaces. The overall shape of Model 2 is designed for optimal aerodynamics, featuring a sharp slanted nose that directs airflow efficiently along with sculpted side panels and an integrated diffuser to reduce drag. These features help create a smoother ride and enhance energy efficiency. It also comes with smaller 16 to 18-inch wheels inspired by the low-drag design of the Model 3, further contributing to its efficient performance, and flush door handles to minimize air resistance. Built with lightweight materials like aluminum alloys and carbon fiber reinforced plastics, Model 2 weighs between 2,500 to 2,800 pounds, which is about 700 to 1,000 pounds lighter than the Model 3. This reduction in weight improves the car's maneuverability, making it easier to park and drive through tight spaces, further enhancing its practicality for daily use. Said to be a compact car, Model 2 trunk space will be optimized, offering 350 to 400 liters of combined storage with 300 to 340 liters in the rear trunk and 50 to 60 liters in the front. The rear seats may fold down for additional cargo capacity. Clever storage compartments, including rear seat back nets and underfloor and door pocket storage, will maximize space for urban driving. Cold weather adaptations. For those living in colder climates, the Model 2 is engineered to thrive in harsh winters, with features designed for optimal performance and comfort. Its advanced thermal management system minimizes range loss with testing, showing only a 15% reduction at minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit, far better than the 30% industry average. Heated components provide additional convenience, including front and rear seats that warm up in under 3 minutes, mirrors that defrost in just 90 seconds, and a windshield heating system that melts ice in as little as 2 minutes. Safety is a priority with Model 2's intelligent all-wheel drive system and winter-ready tires, offering 20% better stopping power on icy roads compared to standard setups. Convenience is further enhanced with remote preconditioning via the Tesla app, allowing drivers to preheat the cabin and battery even at minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Every component has been rigorously tested in simulated snowstorms and temperatures as low as minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring the Model 2 remains reliable, comfortable, and capable in the most extreme winter conditions. The 2025 Tesla Model 2 is powered by an advanced lithium-ion battery pack, featuring Tesla's cutting-edge 4,680 battery cells, which are larger, more energy efficient, and designed for better thermal management than previous generations. These improvements result in a 20% increase in energy density, allowing the Model 2 to achieve a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, depending on the variant. Additionally, the Model 2 battery is designed to last over 1 million miles, ensuring long-term reliability and reducing the need for costly replacements. The Model 2 is fully integrated with Tesla's expansive supercharger network, which includes over 50,000 superchargers worldwide, with new stations added weekly to ensure drivers are rarely more than 30 miles from a charging station in most regions. The latest V4 superchargers deliver up to 250 kilowatts of power, enabling the Model 2 to gain up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. For added convenience, Tesla's plug-in charge technology automatically initiates charging and billing as soon as the vehicle is connected. Superchargers are strategically located along highways, urban centers, and popular destinations, and they feature preconditioning capabilities that optimize the battery for faster charging even in freezing temperatures. The Tesla app further enhances the experience by displaying real-time supercharger availability, monitoring charging progress, and planning routes with automated charging stops to minimize delays and eliminate range anxiety. The Model 2 features advanced vehicle-to-grid technology, enabling seamless energy sharing between home and vehicle with up to 75 kilowatt-hours of stored capacity, enough to power an average home for up to 3 days during outages. By utilizing off-peak charging, which can be up to 50% cheaper than peak hour rates, the Model Q significantly reduces utility costs while supporting grid stability by contributing up to 10 kilowatts of surplus energy back to the grid when needed. Integrated with Tesla's energy products such as Powerwall and Solar Roof, the Model Q creates a cohesive energy ecosystem that optimizes consumption, saving homeowners an estimated 20% annually on energy bills. The system allows remote monitoring and control through the Tesla app, enabling users to manage energy flows in real time. Let's compare the Tesla Model 2 with some of its biggest competitors. The BYD Dolphin. This compact EV from China's BYD offers a range of about 250 miles and starts at roughly $16,000 in China. While extremely affordable, it lacks Tesla's advanced self-driving capabilities, cutting-edge battery tech, and vast supercharger network. Chevrolet Bolt EV. The Chevy Bolt provides around 259 miles of range and a starting price of $26,500. While it's a solid choice in the affordable EV space, it doesn't match the Model 2's 4680 battery technology, 1 million mile battery lifespan, or access to Tesla's extensive charging infrastructure. Nissan Leaf. The Leaf has been a long-standing competitor in the EV market, with a range of around 212 miles for the base model and a starting price near $28,000. However, its limited range, older battery tech, and slower charging speeds make it less appealing compared to the Model 2. Volkswagen ID.3. Popular in Europe, the ID.3 offers up to 260 miles of range and starts around $30,000. While it provides good performance and practicality, it lacks the affordability and advanced features that make the Model 2 a game changer. Compared to these, the Tesla Model 2 outshines the competition with its superior range, affordability, cutting-edge battery technology, robust charging infrastructure, and advanced self-driving features. By delivering a premium EV experience at a mass market price, Tesla is not only setting a new benchmark, but also solidifying its leadership in the global EV market. Let's compare the Tesla Model 2 with some of its biggest competitors. The BYD Dolphin. This compact EV from China's BYD offers a range of about 250 miles and starts at roughly $16,000 in China. While extremely affordable, it lacks Tesla's advanced self-driving capabilities, cutting-edge battery tech, and vast supercharger network. Chevrolet Bolt EV. The Chevy Bolt provides around 259 miles of range and a starting price of $26,500. While it's a solid choice in the affordable EV space, it doesn't match the Model 2's 4680 battery technology, 1 million mile battery lifespan, or access to Tesla's extensive charging infrastructure. Nissan Leaf. The Leaf has been a long-standing competitor in the EV market, with a range of around 212 miles for the base model and a starting price near $28,000. However, its limited range, older battery tech, and slower charging speeds make it less appealing compared to the Model 2. Volkswagen ID.3. Popular in Europe, the ID.3 offers up to 260 miles of range and starts around $30,000. While it provides good performance and practicality, it lacks the affordability and advanced features that make the Model 2 a game changer. Compared to these, the Tesla Model 2 outshines the competition with its superior range, affordability, cutting-edge battery technology, robust charging infrastructure, and advanced self-driving features. By delivering a premium EV experience at a mass market price, Tesla is not only setting a new benchmark, but also solidifying its leadership in the global EV market. Here's the bombshell. Tesla has set the starting price of the Model 2 at just $25,000. Yes, you heard that right, $25,000. This positions a Model 2 as one of the most affordable EVs in the world, while still delivering Tesla's hallmark performance, technology, and reliability. At this price point, the Model 2 isn't just competing with EVs, it's taking on gasoline cars head-on. To put into perspective, the average new car price in the U.S. hovers around $48,000, nearly double the cost of the Model 2. That means Tesla is offering a revolutionary vehicle at half the cost of most new cars on the market today. With federal tax credits and potential state incentives, the effective price of the Model 2 could drop as low as $17,500 for some buyers. That makes it cheaper than many gas-powered cars while offering far lower running costs. So there you have it. The Tesla Model 2 isn't just another car. It's a revolution on wheels. With an affordable price, advanced technology, and practicality, it's set to redefine what people expect from an entry-level electric vehicle. If you found this breakdown valuable, don't just keep it to yourself. Share it with friends who need to know where the future of driving is headed. Drop a like to support independent analysis. And if you're new here, hit subscribe to join a community that sees the future before it happens. And remember, while others are still catching up, you'll be driving the future.